Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get the pacifier in Avatar World. The pacifier is a must-have accessory for your nursery, but it's actually hidden in a few different spots. And in here, I'm going to show you the exact locations to find the pacifier. So first, you just need to go inside this building. This one is a clinic. You can just found and get into this clinics right here. Okay, so once you're inside, you can just swipe until you find the drugstore. Okay, this one's in here. This is a drugstore inside the clinic. And then here on the shelf, you can easily spot the pacifiers that you need. So there are four different colors of the pacifiers. You can just choose which one that you want to grab. For example, I'm going to grab the purple one. You can just grab it, and then if you have your baby, you can just put it or give it to him or her directly. This is the pacifier. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks, and I'll see you in the next one.